one cry SEGE ningina dane se wayense se ne amane ya ne magdan dwumadi a wodi a wotu nche no ene short mine wapa wonto makra ya wodi ama na wose afie bia no wantimi entukura ne etonso no wotu beyese empem enum eni ekire hanum ne ekire nanso sede ne emekeka koro no senko betimi akoyanim di a ko mo percent kafe bi ebetimi atu metric tons no wo pepe ebaako woso wenfinhye aduonum na ani a wo ma ne nya fa hudie no aban akọ nanso obi bia da ni wa watumi aye we bie he yakeka ya o se sonwo anye yi nanso akufo ado aban watumi agura gire twantoma de ese ne kokoso amase ya kasai no magdan ejina ne na to a wotu enchen see 28 brana one more eche campaign na one more kasa Nigeria one tumi tu nche de ko berezer e manu sika no ne kwasikoko dode si bebrebe no se sabre na de ne na ni tirimu se Ghana yeso betimi atubie ne benya America dode si ne sika sem ya sabre asari oso aje pimba kwa ne na ange no ye de bewuramu enti we ya de a eboa pa no dwumade no asensem no ye tie bie
take part. The party from which my government was born, the primacy of the private sector in the development of our national economy is fundamental. It is the very basis of our economic philosophy and has been so for the last 70-odd years. We have never wavered in our belief that given an enabling environment, the ingenuity and sense of enterprise of the Ghanaian will enable us to build a strong, powerful economy which will deliver a good, dignified standard of living to our people. The Electrochem salt mine is one such example of what governmental policy, backed by strong private sector participation, can achieve. Indeed, for some 54 years, successive governments have tried without success to harness the full value of the Songo Lagoon. I'm glad that under the government of ADDAI-NIMOH, the Songo Lagoon is being brought into full production for the benefit of the residents of ADDAI and the citizens of the entire nation. The man who's to receive the plaudits for the brilliance of what we are witnessing today is the courageous, excellent entrepreneur, Mr. Daniel Macaulay, a.k.a. Magdan. This is the first time in recent history that an indigenous Ghanaian businessman owns one of the biggest extractive industries in Ghana, in Africa. He's a shining example of what determination and perseverance can produce. Magdan, Aiko.
Mampanyini na nado dan kwa AKUFO adroni emetekaria shano na sobako. Che papa. Nyasam kitwa tu senra na beme kasapa.
Wosono mpanimfo a wormo wo mai Ghana mu ekwa asetena na wormo asetena mu ne yaba na no memeneda wormo kokoto ye ewie ma 10 BP mu showdown. Ehon hyemude na wormo kokohye na san hyemude na ase a na wormo sa bobo kwampa wo mbefa so na eni ntine mienu yewura AGYARKO ena efe yewura Francis ADDAI-NIMOH wo betimi akobe nkurom ne yebehu ba ko ba beka ho ama wormo aye nnum na enkasa mu no ena yewura Bernard Ntwibosi akon wono a ne asantemantem wo so no titine ono nso kasa ewie brofo akase edigu ho e kire enhyemude a wono kokohia ye no enkomo a epipi fire kire.
We have 926 votes, okay, and if one candidate have, or if one candidate have 629 votes, it's more than enough. Even the one we are calling him second, Kennedy, we are calling him second, he got 132. 132 it's not close to him, and the third one he got 95. It's not close, but because in the name of democracy and our constitution, that is why we are still going for this election. But if it is not in the name of democracy, this one is the done deal. You know, because
so you think that BOAKYE?
No. Even if they allow him to go, you still have to go to the coordinators and then the police stations to do the acclamation.
Yewura Bernard Ntwibu Asiakon wasona manyoko titinani wasantemantem na ate brofo akase BOAKYE na wode tututudwa ewie na anso ho donkese no ba no deni wo mrahye badwafie ya ono anso ne so amemrahye badwani yewura se chairman sabonsu enso de ne de epi so
constitution dey say yes sir here na say suspend constitution no ye constitution in fi the constitution of the world was there independent no ba ko na edikan it say and nine cannot say you say ba ko edikan ba anti the jaidia and make us say nine ko ba kan the mummy nsaka say omoja ne ba ko pe ka say change am the letter. There's nothing that the party can do. Everything I say is second. The constitution is you never hear the view. Also hear the view. For instance, we said we are tempting in the national election, the two about it's only 30 people in presidency. Let's say about 50% plus one. So there's no second one.
Afe wasona manyoko no ntete pa badwaku ya friend say disciplinary committee no so yewura amakwata ene tua wono ma no wono nso de ne de epi so wono akure ya so ne atiwa west emra hye badwani
now once I refer to West, the best go into it. At this stage, you are calling it indiscipline. It has been reported. That's why it is an allegation for now. Okay, the facts now is considered an allegation. So that alleged infractions.
Yewura amakwata ene ate editwa atoi.
Ye from Wakwata the anyone here that's what they any PP and they want about to emu ensensem na babeto just National Council no yen said dame meneda and you will be see man says the party headquarters you Justin from Ponko ya one year church for penny and incentive for a church and como
council issue or the friend emergency council meeting. Now no could free said now no member that the party penny for Kotwaba, the folks for delegate. Your Kotwaba now SE independent. There should be a free position and the prime and now or more and now about crop. A year ADDAI-NIMOH and year AGYARKO. Now, so need to say, presidential election committee no, at the na some of the Shebia Basse under section 25 of rules and guidelines. They say for Twaba na nipa you enya about normal cancer 5 pa. You bear rerun. And the National Council issue no, section 25 no, a very nice way year for. Say nipa ko mo Twaba Saturday no, and no more and a better rerun no. Now we know National Council for and a very run no more in the Pabako. I'm an account independent for November 4th elections.
Justin Kodia from Pone Bria Boa Odi Casea Bay, Yangan and Tiasa Papa AGYARKO, Zenyan Trenyentia, we see from
Ene na yeguso de kase na eso mmoa enche bia afri 2019 ena hwehwembi bobobo maimu na eno efa men's gold yewura nam wine yedu babi ebeye fene sabio ukotwa ba na ato adua ne kura ne ebuso ase oto nam sen ose nam wine eno chese wonu musika akwa akwedi babi na emu ena entansa no wo mo kyekere ne sei ya na dodo se tie nie edebo yewura nam wine ne court yi se woko ne woko afa wi a ekokoduru ho no wonu mo de wombrofo egugu ho a bese ya no wonu matu asam na hye wo mo ntun hye kura no makoma aduasa ensia wonu matu ahye na sei foforo kura sanso aba wono mo se no de process kwai ne chese dodo na wo mo de ball ne nyina no emu ye hapo sa na ntante wo mato asem nagu na attorney general aban lawyer pani se charge kese pa wo masan de abonam wai na no wo betwe ne ti se wono ma won sika wo metua 6.5 million tete wo sika no na fe wo fan testing hwe enhu obi a ne sika wom ansa na obetua watua ye nam so ma wonoma wo sika wom san bo sudwe tire kese e de kire mpanimfo enam sa ya so e ma men's gold de wakasa ma wonoma won sika e wo hobie owura Fred Forsen wa kire nsemu sei e de a kire nsentwerofo
renege on its responsibility for 2 weeks. We haven't heard from SEGE, we haven't heard from Bank of Ghana. The gentleman is extorting money from the public. No statement. So even yesterday, these are the content of my work, of my post, that they will wait, sit down for this gentleman to continue to extort money from us. Then later on, they will issue a series of presses. Then finally, they come and say, we want them, a debt collecting company. Then you, the one who is indebted to me, now look for a debt collecting company, and they tell me that go to the debt collecting company, and when you pay money to the debt collecting company, maybe some way, somehow, you break me to start paying you. I mean, this is crazy. Country, we are sitting down watching this gentleman. Please, Branham one. I'm told that 14th September, you have set it as a deadline that those who are not able to verify, they forfeit their right to be customers. Make the deadline today, because we aren't coming. And let's see if you are a man.
Ora Fred Forsen ya okasa de ma wonuma wondwetire ewo namwa ensem ewo men's gold and ate se na wode ensem eto nsentwerofo animi
ye free anumudia na anu yenka bi nhemu o de betia ne sasrafo e wo Gabon wo mso wo matu abaya guni nyina se papa Ali Bongo watena o ma ne so mfinhia aduonu miensa wo kura wo yade a wo kura poma wo ntia pakoto aba ba to komisa na babonti se papa wa se nwi no msi ho yenti ase ne wo kyena ka ho asoja form akoma akudu mienu akotena wo man kasa mfoni kase so abo wo man kase se sansunsanso no a abato komisa nde bobo basa Ali Bongo ase wanwi anisa na wo mjitum enye ye kura eno nam sunti wo bekoso abo enkwa ene ajapade enso ho ban na no na nipa bi susu se kobasa ade a na papa Ali Bongo ni na busia wo motena Gabon so mfinhia aduonu emiensa no wo no mahenie no ebe
les élections générales du 26 août 2023 ainsi que les résultats tronqués sont annulés. Les frontières sont fermées jusqu'à nouvel ordre. Toutes les institutions de la République sont dissoutes, notamment le gouvernement, le Sénat, l'Assemblée nationale, la Cour constitutionnelle, le Conseil économique, social et environnemental, le Conseil gabonais des élections. Nous appelons la population, les communautés des pays frères installés au Gabon, ainsi que les Gabonais de la diaspora.
Oui, soja foa ka French ewa Gabon ena wonu mani abreya wo mo kasa ya wo mu echiremu na Gabon ho wo pe bibiman ya wo mu tu fam gu ya wo mo ka ho wo mo asase ne so emu nchemu be se de okuru nyina ye kwa ibrentu
ejapade ho pa nya asemwa Ghana fo akodidi ho abre na Gabon sansemia ho ena yewra Adams Bona wa ben pa obambum no wo chese we de Ghana ka ho bi afi eba bibrem aman ahodo a atwa ho ahia ye nyina yemfa nya adisua de na de toaso betimi aba enkanka ne wo mo e ka France kasa no we nyina kire sebio eba amamuo pa entodwa yi eno achi pro ne kata asehye e ka ho bi ne be masrafo wo motimi akwaje aban no e de aboso saa na sebio so sebio kudonto we nye de edikan na enye de etwato nso so Ewura Adams Bona e kan say de kire Sompa Centrofo
Cameroon, Togo, Benin, Cote d'Ivoire, these countries, any of them could go before the end of the year. To say Ghana has Emrane said since 1990, Oko 2 times on to me Kobio. Nanka, man Penin Anado. Akabe 1 year, few months for him to go. Now, or say by force, young call referendum. Referendum now, Yebekono, na Yako Yana, Omarium, na Yasu, Nanado can now go again almost 2 times now. I know. And why know that cannot happen in Ghana? But in West Africa and Francophone Africa, the French, because of almost a good year, you can say their resources, on to me as president, so they put in charge their puppets. They help them to entrench themselves in power. And so for me,
Ewura Adams Bona wa ben pa obambum and ate se na wode nsemi to Centrofo anim. Na wie no anso ho yesan bo wura Gabon ehwe baby a mempani eli bongo ondimba wohye ene wode atodwo eche se baby wohye no sabio stroke yi posasa ache no pa wokokura kutapoma wode nuro so ye wo se wono nuro nanso sra adomi do before complain baby wo ma che na hye ne yire ne makura wonim baby a wono ne nam enti wiase ama nyina nkasa wo mo ntiatia mo nye dede ema wono mo hu sabio baby wohye no ohuna mane na yemra ne nsra ba mu se de be no betimi anom ne nuro na ne ho beto no
Bongo Ondimba, President of Gabon, and I'm to send a message to all the friends that we have all over the world to tell them to make noise, for the people here have arrested me and my family. My son is somewhere, my wife is in another place, and I'm at the residence. Right now, I'm in the residence, and nothing is happening. I don't know what's going on. So I'm calling you to make noise, really. I'm thanking you.
Mampeni se oya dadao se ono ane da so teso wo hu ba bia wo gina hu ne fare ba no wo che se ba bia wo hye no eye atenaye mu nanso wo hu de ekoso krata bia ma ma wo nsan ena ni nuru nso kura ye ma ne kwa ma ne nom enti dom a atwa wiase nyina ho ahia munye dede na wo hu de ekoso
agire de brass band kwa ye wie ne Gabon wada na ye da so gina mu na papa Ali Bongo Ondimba ya tabre na ni etu aka ne nsam yi enam so ma China nso de ne wa ba ba gimu a wo kire mu se wo sre afanu ni nyina da se ne oposi han no o se aban no krofo a na wo nyina da tietue se papa ne nkwade wo mu kutamu mayen yesu kopie kropon libreville mu a ene etu braman tinten ya no kra no etwetwe so pa edo ha kase nso eba papa Ali Bongo wo mu susesa wa transfer ti asra for sa ye yesu aye bi eja yesu aye bi atuaso enti wo fa ne dwumadi nyanto na semi no Richard Komodo ya e baba mbosem so awe dare mu oye mu afukutu ne Sompa etwetwe ho komo.
And the Diana can say the antidote to coup d'etat, yeah, good governance. Good governance devoid of corruption and bribery. And see, share countries now cool this year. To me, bad governance is one of the things they do. Number two, yeah, the negative influence of France. And so back into many years ago, Kwame Nkrumah and Co were fighting for the English-speaking countries to liberate from their colonial masters. That's AKUFO countries near Africa, no matter. And they say they have waken up to their responsibilities. And to me, those are the two factors leading the coup d'etat in most of the Francophone countries. No, they are bad governance, that is one. Then number two, negative influence of France here, another major reason. And to share most of the coup d'etat countries now, bad governance is one of the leading factors. Second one is the influence of France. And it is there for everybody to judge for themselves. The best coup d'etat, any military for one coup d'etat. Can you see what coup d'etat? Say a coup d'etat. So it's a constitution, Anna. Say a coup d'etat, Anna. I don't know. I'm up on someone. Say a inauguration. Some people in political seats, almost black and black seats. Some Omukoye no Omaka said oh yeah the chances are 22 in Gabon akwa we are Kuasiano only papa Omar rule country no for 53 years. The last time official constitution African leaders were almost black and black Omukoye Omaka said oh yeah such in the gas who bad the constitution am for protest here no for be we Mamu na show family and say yeah chance as black people we don't want to speak the truth. That is one thing mama we are lying. You know what you are doing will not bring good. We can call election what a master. So community pathway. If let's commit an answer, someone can say, oh, you have a problem what a master.
Wey bambosemu afrukutu ora Richard Komodo so ne yegina ne yade anopano nsi akase bona bre wasante ebo Benedict we semu for penikuku Veronica Jandro amofedua akoseso mo ami sister Japan wonu nyina da kan na ya abo amana na kwabra kase akoso ajewa na face systematic press wonu so bebo adwuma MCR ho edema ye wo hinini amakrancha da zo so for mami premier ni mene
ajapia apam dada
no wa yet was
Order for me mawakwaba eba abe heba clinic. Ope ayarsabia emprempren nipa dodo na do nani akiremu wo ho na wonya wayaresa na won mo etiapa na aye abe heba clinic. Yade ahodo a abe heba clinic edi huduma